Hi everyone, I am Mert and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the coronavirus. Normally, as you know, I share challenge and unboxing videos. But today I want to talk about this important issue. The reason I am talking about the information pollution and unnecessary concern. I am not happy this situation. The need of making a video like this I heard. You can find the official sources about the coronavirus in the description so that you can get more detailed information. Okay, first of all, let's explain what is coronavirus. Coronavirus, or rather name is COVID-19, virus that appears in Wuhan, China on December 2019. But we can say that its effects on the world in the late January. This virus causes a severe cough and high fevers. But in our country for coming late, we could be considered lucky because other countries have done vaster right or vaster long, so I think we made a good progress. This virus is transmitted throughout the respiratory tract, so the precautions are shaped accordingly. Social distance is very important. Make sure that there is at least 1.5 meters between you and the other person. As scientists and healthcare workers say, social distance is the most important for us. In the process, unfortunately, we have been at homes for months and we all miss our friends and work environment. But compulsory for employers, these are getting more difficult perhaps against the virus because they are face to face. But staying at home is really boring. Therefore, for those who have to go out, it is compulsory for wear a mask and comply with social distance in our country as many in countries. For Turkey, if we talk about conditions of the challenging 2.5 months of the quarantine, then the month of the June, along with many forbidden, has been lifted. But as with many authorized in meantime, please take our precautions. Forget COVID-19 is not yet finished and it has not yet found a vaccine. So let's pay attention to our social distance. If everyone behaves with caution, this process will end much faster. After March 21, we were school holiday in Turkey and then I returned to my hometown as many university students, and all students in the same way they had in their homes. In this process, students received the online education, but there was an balance between normal education and online education. So many students failed to understand the lessons. Let's come to some reasons for their inadequacy. Those who don't have a computer or who don't pull the internet, those who don't have a quality microphone or headphones. So, which badly affected students. As I said from start June, many restrictions were lifted. For example, shopping malls were opened, cafes were opened, entertainment places were open. I think there is no harm in opening these, but it's important the cages, because the owners must now make money. But please, let us abide by social distance and hygiene rules. Okay, let's take a look at how to take care of our hygiene. We have to wash our hands every 20 seconds. Like this. In palm. Yeah. It's during the 20 seconds, especially when we come from outside. We have to wash the fruits and vegetables by from outside. We should ventilate what we bought in the grocery shopping place by placing it open places such as a balcony for at least 4 hours and then wiping our packets with a cloth. We must definitely wash our hands thoroughly before and after these procedures. In this way, if we follow rules of hygiene, we will decrease the COVID-19 incidence and we must keep our immune system high. To keep it high, we need to eat healthy. We shouldn't shake hands anyone. We shouldn't be in close contact with anyone. If you encounter certain signs of COVID-19 yourself, you should contact the nearest healthcare provider or call the emergency. And in this process, you should keep yourself in a room away from other people in the house. Isolate and constantly ventilate your room. If we list these symptoms such as prolonged high fever, uninterrupted cough, and difficult breathing, do not forget to put on your mask before going out and have any disinfection with you. Thank you for listening to me. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like video and you can share with your friends. Also, if you subscribe to my channel, you can be instantly informed to my videos. See you, I wish you health and happy days.